All right, so on this slide, I'm just going to kind of read the information and explain a little bit. This way you guys can understand a little bit more about the coordinate plane. So as you can see right here is our coordinate plane. We have our x-axis and we have our y-axis. Up above here, you will see something called an ordered pair. That's two numbers that are separated by a comma in parentheses. Your first number is going to be your x-axis, like I was explaining in the slide before. And your second number is going to be on your y-axis going up and down. It says an ordered pair is a pair of numbers called coordinates that describes the location of a point in the coordinate plane. The coordinates of an ordered pair always appear in the same order. First the x-coordinate and then the y-coordinate. All right, so let's take a look at what they're asking us to do here. If you move only on grid lines, how can you get from the origin, which is our intersecting, so always here is our origin. How can you get from the origin point to B? So I want to get from this point to this point in the fewest moves possible. So you can't go diagonal, you can only go left and right and up and down. Okay, so remember, we always go left to right first. So how many times am I going to go over to meet where the B point is? Let's think. 1, 2. So I would go to the right twice. I would go to the right twice, and then I don't have to go left or right anymore, but I am going to go up. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times did I jump to go up? So I went up 5 times. Okay, so let's take a look at part B. Let me just quickly erase this stuff. Let's take a look at part B. The ordered pair 2, 5 is a way to represent the location of point B. So if I said, how do I get to point B? You would represent the coordinates as parentheses 2, 5. Remember this being your x, left to right, and this 5 being your y, up and down, vertical. Okay, so let's take a look at part C. What is the ordered pair for origin where the 0 is? So let's think about that. Are we moving left to right? No, because we're starting here. And are we moving up and down? No, because that's our starting place. So if we didn't move anywhere and we didn't go up and down, what would be our ordered pair? 0, 0. Even though both of those numbers are zeros, it's still telling us where that origin is located on the coordinate plane.